Alright, what's good, y'all? Today we're gonna go over our trade recap. Today was a one and done trade. All we did was take Amazon puts, and this trade did over 100%. So we're gonna go over how I caught this trade. So we go on the 1 hour time frame. Amazon had sold off since we broke out of this downtrend earlier this month. We broke up out of this downtrend, we retested it and had a nice pop up, consolidated, and then we started to break back down. So for Amazon to hold, we would have had to hold 268 for continuation to the upside, or at least 265. So we broke under these two major levels, and we started to break this downtrend that we broke out of. We started to break back under it here, so that was showing weakness here on Amazon. So as you can see, we had a level on Amazon at 255 yesterday. When we came here, we bounced. We did a really nice bounce, so we wanted to see Amazon start to reclaim, but we eventually sold off by the end of the day. And this morning, we were looking pretty weak here. So we had that previous day low level set and that pre-market high set here. So if we go down to the 1 minute time frame, we needed to break under 255, 254.50s to really see a nice sell down here. So the first minute we had a breakdown, but we reclaimed and started to pop up to pre-market highs. And as you can see, the first 10 minutes we rejected the pre-market highs twice, causing a double top here. So as soon as we started to sell off here, we flipped under VWAP, came up, and then started to reject 256.20s here. So this is where I called it out in my Discord. Once we flipped back under VWAP, I called out the Amazon put play here on Friday expiration, and was looking for that low of day break, that previous day low break to low of day here. So we came and bounced a little bit twice, but every time we bounced, we just created a lower high. So that was just showing weakness on Amazon, and plus the overall market was selling off on SPY and QQQs. So as soon as we broke under that previous day low, I started to take trims, and we just trailed it all the way down. Very nice downtrend, breaking low of day. And eventually, once the contracts got up to 100%, I fully sold my position. And then when we fully got to 251s was my major level, I sold my last runner. And as you can see, we broke under it and started to continue to keep pushing lower on the day. But this was a very beautiful trade, one and done, 100% trade. You catch a really good trade like this, you don't really need to catch anything else other than that. Just one and done and call it. Most of the time when you try to take more trades after that, it's just almost never worth it here. And going over Exxon Mobil, this was a swing trade I called out on my Discord yesterday, last night. I was doing research on this in oil, and Exxon Mobil had a nice level here at 251s. I was looking for that break above here, and we broke above. Nice entry at market open, and we're sitting up around 40% already on this trade, looking to see if we get to this last swing high and then potentially even all-time highs. So we'll see how this plays out here on ExxonMobil. But yeah, other than that, very nice day trade. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.